and welcome. So today is March 12th, which means that tomorrow is March 13th. And it was March 13th that here in Alberta, at least, the world completely shut down. So it's crazy that we are here at the 1 year anniversary of the world going to heck. So obviously throughout the pandemic, everybody was doing puzzles and stuff. So was I. I also did some puzzles. And the main problem I had was that if I left the puzzle out, my cat... Are you kidding me right now? Okay, well, that was actually pretty good timing. Basically, I had the puzzle out on this table and it was actually my other cat, but he completely just made the whole thing fly off the table, and then I was just over it after that because I didn't want to redo it and there was puzzle pieces everywhere. So I have been looking for a solution, and I see some people had, it's like a board and it's really fancy and cool. I looked into those, they were pretty expensive, so I didn't want to get one quite yet, but maybe one day. But a company called LAVIEVERT, I think it's, I'm assuming that it's French for the green life. They asked me if I'd be willing to review a product and they would send it to me. So they sent me this, and it is a puzzle mat, and I'm gonna try it out and review it today to see if it is something worthwhile. It's pretty cheap compared to the boards. The main issue with the huge board is you still have to find somewhere to put it. So I think this will be nice because it's just gonna be super small. It was, I think it was $21 Canadian, so not bad. So let's check this out. This company also had cat and kids toys and lots of puzzles. I actually don't own very many puzzles. I got a Christmas one at Christmas from my mom, but I didn't want to do a Christmas one right now because that seems silly. So I'm going to do this one, which I actually have already done before, but it's cats, so I love it. Ooh, okay. So, this is the mat. It's a lot bigger than I was expecting. Woo! Okay, cool. So this is the mat. Definitely bigger than I was expecting. So far, I'm super impressed with the size of it. I'm going to try and put some pieces on it to see. Okay, so I have some pieces here, and we're going to try rolling it up. So I think these must be to the straps once it's already rolled up. Dude. Okay, so these are just Velcro straps. Okay, so I think I have to blow this up, and then you put it on the edge and essentially roll it up. I'm going to just sanitize this before I put my mouth on it. I don't overly love blowing things up, so I'm not super stoked about this part of it. Okay, so I got this blown up. I don't really like blowing things up, but it honestly wasn't too much effort. I feel like most people probably have a pump to blow things up anyway. Okay, now I basically just, it tells me on the box to inflate it with a hand pump and that it's not a life-saving device. Good to know. Okay, so I'm going to put the edge in it and then roll it up. There's cat hair. And then put these around it. Okay, so this is how big it is to store it. So you can easily like throw this in a closet or on a shelf or something, and it's out of the way. I think my table was dirty. There's like crumbs all over it. Okay, and then I'm gonna see what it's like to unroll it. See if the puzzle pieces stay intact. Oh, sweet. Okay, so as you can see, they stayed exactly where they were. Like, it didn't move around on the thing. So that's totally a win. Overall, I am super impressed. I would definitely recommend this. It's a very cheap alternative to getting like a big puzzle board. It's only like 20 bucks and it worked so awesome. And I'm definitely gonna use it. This was a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I don't love that you have to like blow this up, but it really only took a couple seconds and hopefully it lasts a long time. It feels like it should. And obviously when I'm not using it, I will deflate it so that it doesn't get wrecked. But yeah, would totally recommend this. So thank you so much to LAVIEVERT for sending me this puzzle mat. I'm definitely gonna try and check out maybe some of their puzzles. They also have like more expensive versions, but this one works totally good and it's huge. You can do all sorts of different size puzzles. I think you just have to make sure that you leave an edge right here to roll this up on, but yeah, totally sweet. I'm definitely gonna use this puzzle mat and it's actually the size of my table, so it's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that everyone is surviving and thriving after 1 year of the way our world's been. And in Calgary, we still have quite a bit of snow that needs to melt, so it's still puzzle season for like a couple more months. Definitely going to do some more puzzles, and I apparently need to buy more puzzles because I only have cat puzzles. So, see you next time.